The life of a diesel soot particle. We used to think that stuff like soot emitted from diesel trucks and smokestacks was bad for us. Turns out it's not just the soot particle that's bad. There might be something even worse. Consider the life of a soot particle. First, it's spewed out of a car or diesel truck. It starts floating around through the air, and almost immediately it begins to attract these sticky molecules called secondary organic aerosols, or SOA. You may be asking, so where do these molecules come from? Some of them started off as harmful gases like the fumes from gasoline or paint thinner. When these molecules get oxidized in the air, they can form these bigger, stickier molecules. A gas like toluene can oxidize into dozens of different kinds of secondary organic aerosols. And with hundreds of starter gases like this in the air constantly getting oxidized, there's literally millions of these stickier molecules floating around out there. And there's so many of these guys that scientists don't even know what they all are. But they're finding out that the ones they do know about may be worse for us than just a straight-up particle of diesel exhaust. So, more and more secondary organic aerosol molecules collect and coagulate in and around our soot particle. And in just 2 hours, our soot particle has doubled in size. It's become a sticky glob of harmful molecules. And this sticky soot ball of chemicals is what's making it into your lungs. Now, you may be thinking, these secondary organic aerosols are already in the air, so we're breathing them in anyway. What's the difference between that and breathing in the soot particle? The difference is that a soot particle concentrates them into one place. It's sort of like an inhaler for medicine. As a gas, medicine sprayed into your lungs can't be very concentrated, because gases are not very dense. But when dissolved into droplets of a denser liquid, however, way more drug molecules can be packed in. When that's sprayed into your lungs, you're getting a whole lot more medicine. The soot particles do essentially the same thing. They're 1,000 times denser than air, and they act like the droplets of water in a nebulizer, concentrating the bad stuff into dense globs and delivering it into your lungs. So at the end of its journey, our soot particle has become the delivery boy for secondary organic aerosols, stuff that could be even worse for you. Thanks a lot, soot particle.